Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. In this video, I'm checking out a pretty cool view spot for Japan's fastest suspended monorail. So I'm here at Enoshima Station, which is a station where the Enoden stops at, but I will not be taking the Enoden. Instead, I'll be going to the station behind it called Shonan-Enoshima to take the Shonan Monorail. You've probably heard of the Shonan Monorail or maybe even ridden it, but I recently found out that there's a spot where it passes right over your head. So I'll show you exactly where this spot is, how to get there, and what it looks like when the monorail flies right above you. Here's the entrance. I have to go all the way up to the 5th floor. Wow. And here we are, the 5th floor. And look at what it's in front of us, the Shonan Monorail. Oh, there's not many people. So Kataseyama Station was pretty crowded, and Enoshima Station is pretty crowded. But Shonan Monorail, or Shonan-Enoshima, it's pretty empty. Oh dang it, I wanted to go in the front. Shucks. Can't go through here. So maybe I can zoom in? Yeah, we can try and do it here. I'm gonna get off so I can go to the next car. I gotta do this quick. Here you go. This is so cool. Unfortunately, I'll be getting off here. That was only a 2-station ride from Shonan-Enoshima, so it felt really short. I wanted to stay longer. For now, I'm here at Kataseyama Station, and this is where you can see the Shonan Monorail really close by. It's not over here at this station though. I have to walk a little bit past. Damn, it's so cool. It's cool how it's hanging like that. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos about this monorail and I thought it was cool. But I feel like you won't know how cool it is until you actually see it in person and ride it. Such an awesome monorail. So it says, do not go on here. Well, it sounds obvious. But yeah. This thing makes it seem like the monorail's like in a ground level, where it's like not that high up. Until that disappears over there and then, bam, you're high up. I said it earlier in the video, but we are here at Kataseyama Station and the view spot is this way. So let's go. So I actually passed by the spot when I was on the monorail. So maybe you noticed it. So close to the monorail tracks. I think I hear the monorail too. That is indeed the monorail. Oh, that is so cool. What is this? There's a lot of hearts on this one. So there are no sidewalks on the left side, so you'll have to walk over here on the right side. No, wait. I have to go on the left side. Okay. It's kind of scary. It feels like I'm not supposed to be walking here when there's like virtually no sidewalk. Okay, now I gotta cross back again. Okay, left side okay, right side okay, let's cross. And we are here. At the closest place you can see the Shonan Monorail. I think from here to there, it's 3 meters. It's not close enough for me to be like, I can touch it, but it's still pretty close. Compared to that side, like look at how high it is over there. And then it just comes closer and closer and it'll pass through here. So let's see what that looks like. Oh, just when I said that it's coming, that was fast. It comes pretty frequently, huh? I don't think it's been 10 minutes since I got off here. Whoa! Oh, it's pretty close. Whoa, that was fun. The Shonan Monorail comes once every 7 to 8 minutes, which is way more frequent than the Enoden. The Enoden comes like once every 12 to 14 minutes. Let's see what it's like when the train passes by from here. Oh, there it is. Holy crap. Whoa! I'm not even close. Okay, I finished filming multiple clips of me standing there while the monorail was passing by for my thumbnail, and after like multiple attempts, I think I got a good one. So I'm gonna go back to the station and head over to Ofuna Station while enjoying the view and the overall roller coaster-like experience. Alright, that will be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to take this monorail that just left, you can either take that from Ofuna Station, which the JR Tokaido line stops by, or the Shonan-Enoshima Station, where the Enoden and the Odakyu-Enoshima line stops at. The algorithm thinks you'll like this video over here, so if you enjoyed this one, you might like this one as well. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.